G'day and welcome back to Luke's Backyard. This week, what we're doing is we're getting some features back into the room. Yeah, that's how I got my nickname, Features. Hey, what's up, man? My name's Features. And because I love doing timber features around the house.
That is cringeworthy if I ever saw something.
Your mate. No, they call me Features for nothing, mate.
You got lots of handsome features on your face too.
She stuck with me for 15 years, so... She loves me features, mate.
Tools down.
Oh, I just want to go. Eyes down.
People try and wake me up, but it's just not happening.
We're not morning people.
Don't tell James.
How many more holes are you going to fall into? Who's James?
Safety officer.
If I could turn back time.
Painting, painting, painting. That's my life for the next 24 hours. I don't mind it. It's not the worst job. You'd be an electrician with no friends.
I named her Celine Dion. I just thought of that this whole time. And that could have been the whole week. Celine Dion.
What's the time?
6:15.
Oh.
Hey, boys, did you guys hear what I named my ceiling rose?
What's that, mate?
Celine Dion. Mate, I'm just going to go home and play with your head.
Toilet paper. It's pretty hard to come by these days, so bidet, issue solved. Well, in South Korea, my toilet sang to me. Does this one sing?
Why don't we get a jacuzzi?
So I got P2 mask.
Yes, for the... which one's this for, the virus or the dust?
We got a safe in our walk-in robe. I might stick it in there.
I tell you what, mate.
That's it.
I'm gonna keep this under wraps, eh?
Stand a bit close, mate. Just get over there.
Oh, contactless delivery. Hard to say, isn't it? Contactless delivery.
I was having the time of my life. I was laying back in a bath, making out I had a microphone in my hand.
You know, you could be like Pretty Woman in the bath. You need all the bubbles.
Walking down.
Come in, woman. Yeah, I was rubbing my hands together because we were finally able to do our dream curved wall, and which I'm looking really forward to doing. Harry! How are you, mate? Still in bed?
Are you dressed? Sort of.
Well, we've got problems with the wall tiles. The white ones are bigger than the grey.
Oh, man, it's tiring.
Any word?
They're going to be delivered tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
The truck can't come back today, but...
You're taking the piss, aren't you? I know you two. You're just ditching me up, trying to get me angry.
This is a stitch-up.
Always getting stitched up.
They're coming back now.
Oh, sweet.
They'll be here soon.
Awesome.
Yes.
This is in our master. What doors we're having, what door handles we're having, what skirting boards
Door handles.
These are
When I see something I like, I know.
What have we got in here? Another Tyler?
If we really get desperate, we'll be wiping our bums with Trump's face, so that's good.
I'm just...
Guess who?
Mickey Mouse.
It's Luke.
No. Why?
Hey, Hoppy.
Why?
Flooring, carpet, blinds, done. In half an hour.
Meanwhile, Jasmine is travelling around Melbourne, pulling together supplies for the rest of the house.
This fake plant was $110. So,
Yes.
I want this plant here,
Yep.
but that plant there is fake.
Yeah, I know.
Yes.
I'm not keen on that.
I know.
Yep.
I've gone to the nursery,
Yep.
and I can't find that plant.
Yep.
So I bought this plant, and I don't like that plant. Hello.
Hello.
Oh, hello.
These all
Oh, hello.
Hello. What the hell?
What's happened?
I think they're trying to. They're telling me something.
It's a very clear message.
Dinosaur. Yeah.
You're a dinosaur. Well,
no.
That makes me a dinosaur too.
Yeah, well, welcome to...
Keith came in and said you went to him and said that we've used the same thing.
Yeah, righto, mate.
Yeah.
If you think that, mate.
Well, that's what we've been told, mate.
Yeah, you get told it, mate. Get told it.
Did you dob on him?
No. No.
You'd never do that.
Nope.
Say it. I'm not a dobber.
Nope.
You're not going to say that? You're
Well,
not going to
you-
say
well-
I'm not a dobber.
Oh, bull. That's what I'm saying, though. You only picked up in one house.
No, I haven't.
Only in 2 houses. Jeez.
What?
You picked it up in mine.
I'll do my job, mate. You do your job.
Righto.
Right, stick to it.
Piling tips with Luke.
Oh, thanks for the words from those sponsors. So, back we go to Luke's legendary tiling service. Cut. Most will say that this cut's a very tricky cut. Notice the curve. We're going to try and cut that with a straight blade. So here we go. Can we get a zoom in on this, mate? Have a look at this. Perfect curve. Righto, let's go in and see if she fits. Oh, mate. Oh, it's so far off, it's not funny. Yeah, oh, yeah. Oh.
What a massive balls up. You just made a random curve.
Let's redo that whole episode, mate. Well, that's it for today for Luke's Tip Top Tiling Tips. I'll see you next week when we're heading over Italy to redo the Sistine Chapel.